Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and doing an overview of two subwoofers from Arendal Sound. Over here we have the 1S. So this is from the 1723 series. It's going to be a single driver, 13.8 inch. And then we also have an 800 watt continuous amplifier. And then over here to the right, we've got the larger big brother, the 1V. So this is going to be a ported design or a vented design. And same driver, we got 13.8 inches, and then also the same amplifier, the Avalanche 800 continuous amplifier. So let's go ahead and dive into this. We'll get these unboxed, take a look at them. Now, one thing I'm really excited about, over here on the 1S, it's gonna be a black satin, which we've seen that in the 2V and the 2S that I reviewed probably a couple of years ago, but I'm really excited to see what the satin white finish looks like, and we'll be pairing that with the 1723 towers behind me. Arendal Sound is preparing to launch their new 1528 series. Arendal says the name 1528 holds a special place in our hearts. It references the year that Arendal was first mentioned in historical records as Arendal, a name that inspired the magical kingdom in Frozen. We don't have much information other than they will be bigger, better, and more luxurious than anything Arendal Sound has created to date. I'm looking forward to experiencing the new 1528 series here on the Youthman channel. So we'll go ahead and unbox the 1S first. So there's quite a bit of difference in the weight. I believe this is about 75 pounds, and this is almost 110 pounds. I'll put the actual weight and dimensions on the screen here. So of course, inside we've got our nice owner's manuals that they include. Got an unpacking guide, our white gloves. This top part's gonna be our grill. So I love the fact that they've got magnetic grills. Anytime a manufacturer has magnetic grills, I really, really like that. Just super low profile, very clean. And then what we'll do is we'll remove the power cable here. And so one thing too, with these power cables, they're really, really thick. And looks like I'll be using my own because we've got a, looks like a universal, not universal, but a European model. So good thing these are really standard. So we've got a 3-prong IEC, so I've got plenty of those lying around, so that won't be an issue. So we got the corner pieces here. That always helps protect the subwoofer during transit. Lay those off to the side. And then what I typically do is I'll just flip the box upside down, like this. Makes it really easy to unbox by yourself. It's got some extra padding on the sides, some more of these little cardboard boxes, and then we've got some even corner pieces here. So Arendal takes pride in their packaging, which is, like I said, it's really nice because the last thing you want to do is order a subwoofer and it arrived damaged due to freight. Now, I can already see, man, this is a really small profile. So for those of you that have an apartment, you have a small room, you can definitely see this having a high wife acceptance factor because of its small profile. I've always appreciated how Arendal, not only their packaging is just really nice, but even just this cloth cover, it's just a nice touch. Not every manufacturer does that. A lot of times they just include like a plastic bag, which is fine. This just has a more premium feel to it. Just a nicer aesthetic when you're unboxing. So again, really small profile here. So I like that. So I'm gonna turn it woofer side to you guys. Let's take a look. So again, just a really nice satin finish, single driver, 13.8 inch over here. And then this massive amplifier on the back. So I love the fact that we've got a digital display up here, nice binding post at the bottom, and we even have XLR inputs and outputs. So you could daisy chain multiple subwoofers together with this. And we even have our 12-volt trigger right here at the top. And if I turn it over to the side, just show you what the grill looks like on. It's just magnetic. So just a really clean look and feel there. So in my excitement, I forgot to put on the gloves. Now the gloves aren't required, but what you will find is you're gonna get some fingerprints on these if you don't use the gloves. So definitely a good idea to put these on when you're doing your unboxing and setting them up in your room. The only negative with the gloves is it does make it slippery. So be real careful if you're trying to carry this around or move it around your room with the gloves on, because it could slip out of your hands. All right, got another power cord there. Lay that off to the side. We're gonna unbox this the same way. Now this is, like I said, a lot heavier, but it can still be done pretty easily with one person. Just support the bottom and you let it down. Actually, push those in so they don't get smashed. And as you can see here with the satin white, instead of getting a black cloth, we got a white cloth here. Much heavier though. And then with this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and untie the bottom. Instead of having to flip it over, flip it back over. Should be able to support it. Ooh, I like that white finish. This is gonna look slick. All right, let's take a look. Nice. I just love that two-tone. So we've got just some little accents on the front with the logo. 13.8-inch woofer on that side. So let's go ahead and take a look at these side by side, just so you can see the size difference between these two, the 1S and the 1V. So I'm excited to get both of these set up and compare them here in my living room. I've got a pretty large living room, so I have a feeling that the 1V is going to be my preferred subwoofer for this size room, but I'll be pairing these with the 1723 towers. So look for that review in the near future. Hope you guys have an incredible week. God bless, and we'll catch you in the next video.